such a good puppy.
Aw, puppy dog. Oh, oh, Kenzie. You hate getting a bath, don't you?
Poor puppy. But you're gonna be so clean and soft in a minute. No more puppies, no more doggy slobber all over you.
Oh.
Kenzie puppy.
Doggy slobber and dirt.
Yeah. Little puppy girl.
Oh, she's got a foam on her ear.
I don't want to get foam in her ear.
No.
But she's pretty good at shaking her ears off.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, such a brave little puppy. Doing stuff she doesn't like to do.
Kenzie. Kenzie. Who's a good puppy?
Wow, there's actually dirt, water coming off of her.
Who's a dirty dog?
Who's right, puppy? Gotta rinse. It's important to rinse. Good girl, puppy. Good girl. Such a good girl. Yes, girl. Can you grab a towel, Sue?